Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm making mango chutney. This is my sister's special recipe. It's a family recipe, and every year during the mango season she makes this chutney in bulk and it's distributed to all the relatives. So I decided to follow her recipe. I know it's not going to be as good as hers, but let's give it a try. Unripe mangoes, which mangoes are peeled, slice them. You can slice the size you like with the mangoes. About 1 kg of mango. I'm going to add 1 cup, 2 cups sugar, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons chili powder. Mix this and marinate it for at least 3 to 4 hours. The mangoes have marinated very well after about 4 hours. You can see the mangoes have released their liquids. This I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of kalonji, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. I'm going to give it a good mix. I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of vinegar to a wok, and we're going to add more if needed. So then to saute about 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and we're going to saute this till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is eliminated. This is done nicely. If your mangoes are a bit hard, like my mangoes are a little bit hard, then add about half cup of boiling water and cook the mangoes in that till they tenderize. The whole mangoes with all its juices and everything in it, and cook this on high flame. Stir and cook. If the mangoes are soft, then it will not take time to cook this. You just cook it and reduce the syrup to your desired consistency. But remember that once it cools down, the syrup will thicken it also. So it should be a little bit more runny. I'm going to add that. Add a little bit of oil so the mangoes cook well, and give it a good mix. And I'm going to let them cook till they are soft. Cashews, this is almonds, coconut sliced, raisins. Teaspoon of garam masala. Mix. Switch off the flame. Add about a teaspoon of cardamom powder. To switch off the flame, let this cool before serving.